What's the meaning of cabby? Cabby. Cabby.
Cabby. Cabby. Cabby is a slang term used to refer to a taxi driver or a person who drives a cab for a living. It is a shortened form of the word cab driver and has been in use since the early 19th century. The term is commonly used in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Cabby can be seen as a less formal way to refer to a taxi driver, and it is often used colloquially or in informal settings. It is a non-offensive term and is generally considered neutral in connotation.